Hello friends, today I will be sharing a video with you in which I have made a fingerprint sensor app. Here you can see it, it's a fingerprint sensor app. So I will open it. So as you can see here it has a lottie animation. I have made it in Kodular. So here I have a lottie animation of fingerprint verification, and downside there is a button for verification of finger. Okay, so when I click that verify fingerprint, so it asks me to place a fingerprint on my scanner. So if I place the right fingerprint, so as you can see it moved to the second screen having a welcome lottie animation here and a username below. So what if I give the wrong fingerprint? So let's check it. So when I give a wrong fingerprint, so when I give the wrong fingerprint, it will call a notifier, go away, you are not the owner. So again I will show you, go away, you are not the owner. That's a notifier down there, and here you can see it changes to red color. So when I place too many means I do too many attempts which are wrong, so it will say that too many attempts, please try again later. So thanks for watching my video, hope you like the video. If you want to make an app like this, please do subscribe to my channel and stay with me. Thank you.